Have you ever noticed how you tend to cherish things more when you've put them together yourself, even if the process was a bit frustrating? This phenomenon, known as the IKEA Effect, takes its name from the famous furniture company IKEA, where customers assemble their furniture from flat pack kits. The term was described in a 2012 Journal of Consumer Psychology paper. It reveals a fascinating cognitive bias in consumer psychology. People often assign higher value to items they've personally assembled or customized, regardless of the outcome's quality. This bias not only sheds light on consumer behavior, but also holds significant implications for businesses and marketers striving to enhance product appeal and customer satisfaction. The IKEA effect highlights how involvement in the production process enhances consumer attachment to products. When individuals contribute to assembling or customizing something, they develop a sense of ownership and pride, which amplifies their satisfaction and perceived value of the end result. This emotional connection can significantly influence buying decisions and customer loyalty. For businesses and marketers, understanding the IKEA effect offers strategic opportunities. By incorporating elements that allow customers to participate in product creation or offering customization options, companies can enhance customer engagement and loyalty. This approach not only boosts perceived value, but also potentially increases willingness to pay premium prices for personalized products. However, there are limits to the IKEA effect. If the assembly process is overly complex or frustrating, it can lead to dissatisfaction rather than satisfaction. Businesses must strike a balance between empowering customers through involvement and ensuring a seamless user experience to maximize the positive impact of the IKEA effect. In conclusion, the IKEA effect reveals the powerful influence of personal effort on consumer perceptions and behaviors. This approach not only reduces costs, but also taps into a psychological principle. People tend to cherish items more when they have invested personal effort into their creation or customization. By leveraging this bias effectively, businesses can deepen customer attachment, drive sales, and foster long-term loyalty. Understanding the delicate balance between empowerment and usability is crucial for harnessing the full potential of the IKEA effect in today's competitive market environment. Stay tuned for more insights into consumer psychology and business strategies. If you've had experiences with DIY projects or personalized products, share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Dr. Dag. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and have a fantastic day ahead.